Hey guys, welcome back to another episode. Today we're on a lake fishing for fish. Stay tuned. With this little ice blues rod, pretty sure I just hooked up with a nice northern pike. Look at the size of that little rod. Get you guys yourselves a bigger rod because you don't want this to happen to you. A lot of action in the rod though. It's just a little tungsten jig, so I don't know. He might snap me off at any moment here. Oh, he's running that way. Like a bat out of hell.
Jeez.
Every time I try muscling him, he doesn't like it. There was a big mark too that popped up. Down in the hole like this right now because he's rubbing on the edge of the ice as he just starts peeling drag out of my reel, and I don't want my line to snap. So if I have my rod tip down below the ice, I can at least keep my line away from the side of the ice and prevent it from snapping. Ooh, it's not a northern, it's a big carp.
Is it a carp?
Yeah.
Oh,
Ooh.
yeah.
And he's hooked from the fin too.
Yep, got a fin hooked.
All right.
Yeah, just dive down, grab that. You're gonna have the tight squeeze getting him through that ice.
I'm gonna have to pull him up through the other hole here. I mean, I could just unhook him. But
Oh, get him through that beast.
he's like, who's touching me? Just have him hooked right on the bottom fin.
There you go, you can get his mouth from that side there. Come here, buddy.
Not a northern, not a northern. I had a good sling on him. Oh, almost had his tail. I'm just gonna try to grab his tail.
If he comes through again, I'll reach down and grab his tail. So then you'd be able to get his mouth or whatever. Oh.
Oh, so slippery.
I almost had his mouth. There's his tail.
Yep, tail.
He's so slippery.
All right.
Almost got him. Oh God, he's so slippery. There we go.
Got a good grip on it?
No.
Okay. Here, we could drop my phone. Or... We'll be right back, guys. Nice little fighting carp. Let's let this beast go. There we go. Well, perchy perch. Ooh. It's like a 8-incher. Got one going on my other line here. Whatever. It's whatever. It's whatever. I mean, I plan on keeping a few, but this guy, oh, it's got a little meat on it. It's not too bad. It's probably an 8.5. It's a fatter one though. I think we'll keep a few. I think I'll keep this one. See what's on my other rod here. That one's going crazy right now. Missed him. I missed him because I didn't have my drag set. Oh my God, the screen is absolutely lit up right now. Look at the screen. I don't know if you can see that. It's just completely lit up down below. It's not as bad as it was before. Or as good, I should say, as it was before, but... Oh, I'm getting a bite right now. Little one on. That one's going back down in the hole for sure. Little dinks. Little dinky guys. There we go. Ooh, something's coming to meet it. Oh, on. Oh, he got off. It was a little one, but so fun. Such a good time when you're out of school. This one's charging it. Just a little. Yeah, this one's a little bigger than the other two small ones. But... Bite. 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 Oh, here's another nicer one. This one's just a little bigger than the one I've kept already. Not much bigger, but it is bigger. We're keeping some for table fare tonight. See if I can set the hook. Ooh. can't set the hook. Oh man, that is frustrating. That is so frustrating. And now I'm thinking to myself, do I have bait on there still? Even though I just checked it. Just little guys. Just little guys. Oh, about a middle finger long, maybe a little longer. See what I did there? Oh, he flopped out and into the other hole and down. He's going back to meet up with family. Just little guys. The majority of them are little dinky guys. About middle finger big. About middle finger length. It's alright though. It's a catch. I like catching fish. On the way up, ended up snagging my line, my other line here. What's even going on here? There we go. Nope, nope. That fish just made it back in the water. No, you don't, buddy. So much fun. Just waiting for the next school of fish. Not near lunchtime yet, but I'm kind of hungry. Catching fish or fishing in general gets me hungry. I don't know if you guys are the same way, but I get hungry when I have a line wet. Alright, I'm ready. Come on, fish. Come on, fish. There we go. Little perch. A little bigger than those middle finger ones, but we're letting a lot go today, that's for sure. That's what I'm dealing with, just little guys. Hey Mom, look. It's the biggest fish I've ever caught. We're gonna throw that bad girl down there. See if we can't lure some big ones in. Ooh, something just raced up after this. They are curious. Oh, on. A little bigger, but still not the keeper I'm looking for. Man, that just drew him right in. Ooh, come out. Gotta get back down there. Get something worth keeping. Ooh, something came up and just slammed it. Little guy. Oh man. I'm having fun. Are you guys having fun? I'm having fun. Oh. Missing fish. Landing fish. Oh. They come out of the water like a little bonita or something. Just brrr. A little bigger, but still not big enough to keep. I think my cutoff line is 8 inches, and that's about 5, maybe 6 inches. Just kind of flopping into there. These fish don't even know what to do. Ooh, that one's a longer one. It's not so tall though. It's a longer one, not tall though. I think I'm gonna throw it back. Let's measure it up with my smallest over here. Yeah, it's just a little smaller than my smallest. So, darted right down the hole. Oh, perchy perch. Just missed one on the jigging wrap. And I hook up a little perchy perch.
Fun day. Thanks for tuning in to another episode of RJC Outdoors. We'll see you guys on the next one.